My name is Ellie Blazard, and I am the owner of Hair by Ellie, a new kind of personal salon that travels to you. I have been a licensed cosmetologist for 3 years now and have absolutely loved every minute of it. I have always dreamed of running my own salon, but I wanted to do it a little bit different. I wanted to avoid all the inconvenience that comes with a regular salon by traveling to each individual appointment. My first initiative was to create my own business card. I passed about 10 of these out a week, up on campus and around town. I offered a referral program for each client that brought a new card back by offering $5 off. Through this initiative, I was able to gain 5 new clients. Another goal of mine was to increase my social media presence. While I already had a professional hair account, I was not very good at updating it on a regular basis. I created a schedule to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12:30. Through these efforts, I was able to gain 40 new followers. As you can see from my insights, I averaged about 24 likes per post with 6 profile visits, and on average about 50% of the accounts that saw my posts weren't following me. Hair by Ellie was able to collaborate with many local photographers. These are from a couple different bridal photo shoots I did. In compensation for my services, I received several professional grade photos that I could use for my own social media accounts. These are from a few other services that I did that I greatly enjoyed. Overall, this is a very low-cost company. Altogether, it cost me about $65 in investment and operating costs. And ultimately, I was able to bring in about $150 in 20 hours of work. Thank you for your support, and I hope you choose Hair by Ellie. Together, we'll find your beautiful.